Hello everybody, welcome to Eat Prime for this evening. I am Daedrian. Rebel Salute is back and here to stay. The show made its physical return over the weekend to the delight of reggae fans who saw top performances from Rodney Price, Moses Davis, Tony Rebel, Queen Ifrica, African Superstar, Stonebwoy, Iwin, Kabaka Pyramid, and many others. Jahshii, who impressed on night one by stepping out into the crowd where his plea for peace spoke to Eat Prime on his set.
A general crowd, our crowd as usual, you know, okay, you don't know where I get to youth and when we go show, we couldn't afford VIP in our time. So a general crowd always have a vibe, you know, so a good thing for go interact with them. You know, Rebel Salute crowd, the front part a kind of sitting crowd, you know, a general away vibes. So just turn up the show, man. That is it. Get them involved, you know what I say? Straight.
What do you want to say to Tony Rebel?
I want to say blessings and it's a pleasure for them on the stage. You don't know, as a rebel, Jahshii Rebel, tonight, out there on the stage. So you don't know the rebel them get to work as a band fighter too. You don't know the thing. But that is it, man. So blessings to Tony Rebel every time, man. And that show is a prosperous show where now I go stop. I tell you this. Now I go stop all my son, I go come perform on the show or play the jump on the show or something.
Also delivering was Stonebwoy from Ghana. The African superstar told E! Prime of the importance to connect to Jamaica.
It's only our time now to use our technological advancement to reduce our egos and get it together through the music, arts and culture. That's all I can say. So I'm here representing for us as one people because Afrobeats, reggae, dancehall, R&B is all like, you know, numerous branches of one big tree, which is black people in Africa. So you don't know. It gives me a lot of energy to do that, to connect.
What do you want to say to Tony Rebel for inviting you on this big platform?
Yeah, man, Father Tony, you know it be, you know, art of love. See, thanks for bringing me on to continue to strengthen the link between Africa and the Caribbean. Not Africa and Jamaica. It's Caribbean and Africa, it's Jamaica and Ghana.
Fans are elated to see Moses Davis, a Beenie Man, back on his feet. The king of the dancehall returned to the stage after 8 weeks and during his set, premiered this latest track.
Why mankind have to pre-messed up and I talk about the beds on the way. From far you have to give them tough love. Don't care if a friend or family. Me don't see them from round so I smile and I want your life grab a day. They never stop hunting.
Social commentary reigned throughout the many performances. Both Bounty Killer and Beenie Man commented on the SSL Bolt saga. There are many cries for an end to the killings in Jamaica, while Queen Ifrica threw punches at Coffee's latest collab with Sam Smith.
Standing by my side, I don't know why should I be afraid of the pestilence that crawling by the eye. Standing by my side, I don't know why should I be afraid.
That's it for E! Prime this evening. I am Daedrian. Thank you for watching.